àti ESABOD tẹ́ máa sọ pé à ń ṣépè fọmọ wọn. Àti ESABOD àti IYABO OJO àwọn ọmọ máa ráre kú ni.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Lizzy Anjorin tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Yèyé Mẹ́ṣọ́, arábìnrin yìí ó tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú màmá ESABOD àti IYABO OJO lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí òun sọ. arábìnrin yìí ó fi lílẹ̀ wípé ó ní àti ESABOD àti IYABO OJO ó ní àwọn méjèèjì ó ní wọ́n máa padà fojú sunkún ọmọ wọn ní o. arábìnrin yìí ṣẹ́ ìpè ó ṣẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìpè nínú fídíò tí ẹ ń wò yìí. ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ó títí dé ìparí kí a gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó ní fún wa.
Àti ESABOD àti IYABO OJO àwọn ọmọ wọn máa ráre, àwọn ọmọ wọn máa pàdé lẹ́nì nínú ayé. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ IYABO OJO àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ lójú ẹ̀mí IYABO OJO àti lójú ẹ̀mí ESABOD. 155 gbogbo yín tẹ́ bá lọ ralẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ESABOD ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, a sọ fún yín títí ẹ gbọ́ o, ire o. Èmi ò lè post ẹ̀ sí page mi because I cannot spoil other people's business. I cannot spoil other people's business. I can't do it. You don't understand? Ìgbà tí àkókò ní gbogbo nǹkan. Because some people are having issue today does not mean that my enemy too may not have issue tomorrow. If I have issue tomorrow, I don't expect anybody to talk about it. If I did not talk about your own when you're having issue. So when I have issue, don't put your mouth. You know what? Even if I will post it, I will clean other people's names and the names of their estates. I will clean it. I cannot post name of people on my page. It's not good. I can't spoil other people's business. IYABO OJO tún ṣe sí o. IYABO OJO lulẹ̀ o. Estate tí IYABO OJO àti ESABOD ń polówó fún. Ẹ ti sanwó síná o. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, orí Mohbad ló ń jà o. Àtòrí Lizzy Anjorin, àtòkó very dark man tẹ́ gbé sórí Gistlover, àtàwọn orí aláìṣẹ̀ tẹ́ lọ ń blog lórí Gistlover. Orí wọn ló dìde o. Ẹ dúró, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ dín àkàrà, ṣé ẹ ti ṣe àkàrà dín báyìí? Ayowu, I can't do it. I can never post it on my page. I don't know why ESABOD posted it. They wanted to mock me. They didn't know they are the one inside out of Bolo. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ṣe show IYABO. Me, I can't post it oh. You know, that thing does not even have a lot of crowd on Lagos State platform. Now, ESABOD and Obala posted it. Why did ESABOD posted it? Bolori buku ẹ ṣe gbórí jáde yẹn. Mama, ó ṣe jáde ní 2019 IYABO OJO. ESABOD ló ṣépè fọ́mọ. Ẹ lọ gbé sí Punch pé mi mo bú ṣépè fọ́mọ. IYABO, ìwọ láyé ti cancel ba ayé ti cancel ẹ tọmọtọmọ ẹ. Ayé ti cancel ẹ tọmọtọmọ ẹ.
Emotional. Yes. At the time there. Yes. I'm an African mother. That's the mother.
You are not an African mother, IYABO OJO. You are a pathetic failure, a lazy bastard. If you say you are an African mother, how many children do you have? How many of your children did you single-handedly raise with your sweat? Ìwọ tó ń tọrọ bára kiri, ìwọ tó pé tó ń bá la ẹ mọ́lẹ̀ bí ẹni la pàpà ńlá gi mọ́lẹ̀ ò lè jẹun. You are an African mother. Tí lá tó tà àbí tẹ̀fọ́ tó tà. Wọ́n bá sọ pé African mother, ó rò pé àwọn tó ń ṣorí burúkú kiri bí titi ẹ. Ó rò pé àwọn tó ń dú ọkọ colleagues wọn kiri bí titi ẹ. Ná pè l'African mother. Ó rò pé àwọn tó ń ṣẹ̀sìn kiri bí titi ẹ. Ó rò pé àwọn tó ń ṣorí burúkú bí titi ẹ ná pè l'African mother. Iṣẹ́ kí ló lórí burúkú ẹ gbé kalẹ̀. Kí ni Davido ń ṣe lórí Gistlover? Kí ni K1 Wasiu Ayinde ń ṣe lórí Gistlover? Mo ń bèrè ni. Kí ni Senator Dino ń ṣe? IYABO OJO gbogbo anybody tó ní contact pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ kí ló ń ṣe lórí Gistlover? Kí ni Lizzy Anjorin ń ṣe lórí Gistlover? Àmágbésùn títí ẹ kò dórí Gistlover rí. Tó bá jẹ́ pọ́kọ Lizzy ló ń ṣe wall lever wá ti gbé sórí Gistlover. Ṣé bọ́jọ́ kẹta according to allegedly wọ́n lọ́jọ́ kẹta tó tẹ́ ẹ dé láti triple lọ́mọ kú. Kí ló dé tí o ṣe bọ́ Sunday? Kí ló tí Gistlover tí ẹ ṣe post kankan nípa àgbésùn ẹ rárá tọwọ́ yín bá mọ́? Ìyábọ̀, kí ló dé agbesun ẹ man friend yẹ kò feature rí lórí gist lover rárá. Meanwhile, ẹ̀yin lẹ gbé travel. Only video kan tí mo wo ilé kan mo wá.
I know you're trying so hard to conquer. I think I'm the only hard enough that you've not been able to try. So, you know, I'm in no battle with you, honestly. Whatever I think that I feel that you've done to me wrong, the least I'll do is just take it to the right authorities and ask them to.
There is no authority that will listen to you. You are a failure. Iyabo Ojo, you are a pathetic failure. Did you remember that authority before you jump into people's family's case? You enter people's family because of donation. When they can't give you blow for mouth, you can't run back to authority. You don't understand? Just like the lady that was bullying me. She came to my office and I still blessed her. And Iyabo Ojo and Dorcas turned that lady against me after helping her. Iyabo Ojo, why are you getting informations from Jigan? One, Iyabo Ojo, if your hands are clean from the story posted on Gistlover, allegedly, how did Gistlover get all the celebrities' noodles? Allegedly. If Gistlover can be getting hold of all the celebrities' noodles, definitely you, Iyabo, you have Jigan in all celebrity homes. Allegedly. Allegedly. You have Jigan in all celebrity homes. Iyabo, Davido's manager was in that group. Jigan was in that group. Sariyu was in your house. Which group did you zone Sariyu into? Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wo bóyá máa rí fídíò tí mo play níjọ́ yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wo bóyá máa rí fídíò tí mo play níjọ́ yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wo bóyá máa rí mi mọ̀ bóyá máa rí. Mo lè rí mo lè má rí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wo. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ilé. Kíní ti kú ẹ wá fún mi ní. Nikini. The video, I have seen it gone. Eléyìí ó ní couldn't connect. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé ká lo speaker yẹn? Ṣé ká lo speaker yẹn? Ṣó ti ṣiṣẹ́? Ṣé ti ṣiṣẹ́? Everything connected. Okay. Ẹ máa gbọ́. More volume.
Okay.